If you need to cancel a pending transfer on EveryDollar, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your transaction is successfully reversed. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open the EveryDollar app. Launch the EveryDollar app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your financial information. Step 2. Navigate to the Transactions section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate the pending transfer. Scroll through your transactions to find the pending transfer you wish to cancel. It should be marked as pending for easy identification. Step 4. Select the transfer. Tap on the pending transfer to view its details. This will give you more information about the transaction and options available for cancellation. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer within the transaction details. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. You should receive a notification confirming that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on EveryDollar. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.